Hi everyone, welcome back by my YouTube channel Patrice Kleurt. I will say hi to my very happy Crafty mail. Thank you Paperomia. So I have printed the 12 double pages out and I will show it to you. It's messy. When I stepped into the Crafty scrapping journal world, it's crafty and sloppy and messy, so let's go. Okay, Aqua Marine Collection kit. Look at this. The mermaids are beautiful and the double pages also very beautiful. I put this every time. On side. Look at the golden crown, the fishes, again a mermaid. This kit collection is with two double pages. 12 is in the kit and I know what to do with this kit. And yes, I love it, and I think I know I'm very happy. Look at also the goldfish and her dress, mermaid skin, also gold, lots of aqua color. You look aqua colors and the gold. Okay. Every time I go and switch around, lots of things, sea star, fishes, bubbles, you can name it. This is my favorite. Look at the colors and the coral and the fishes and her mermaid skin and this page. Look at this crown, yay! Okay, the next one also, it's beautiful, gorgeous. I cannot wait to start with this kit. I'm so excited. So I go for it. 2 double pages with the splash, I call it the splash water pages. Okay, so this is it. You can find it on Coffee. The link I will put in the description box, and I hope you will give me thumbs up and go find Paperomia on YouTube. They have her own channel, and subscribe please. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.